Hey class, we're going to be continuing our model of plate boundaries. With this video, we're going to be modeling the last type here, the convergent boundaries. So you need to remove your broken graham cracker crust from the transform boundary. After you have those pieces removed, once again, you're going to have to smooth out the frosting in the middle of your wax paper. And if necessary, get more frosting from the container. The first type of convergent boundary we're going to be modeling is the convergent boundary of the oceanic and continental crust coming together and what takes place. So you're going to take your graham cracker, half of one, and place it on top of the frosting. Then you're going to take your Rice Krispie and place that also on top of the frosting so they're side by side together like this. Then you are going to be pushing the two pieces of food items together. Make sure you're applying some pressure to them as you're pushing it. And then what you should see start happening is that the Rice Krispie, which is representing the continental crust, is going to be going over the graham cracker, which is representing the oceanic crust. After you have that model done, make sure to answer your questions on the lab sheet and write down your observations as well. After you have your observations done, we are going to model our last plate boundary of the convergent boundaries when two continental crusts are coming together. So remove the pieces of graham cracker and Rice Krispie. Smooth out the frosting, and you are going to need 2 halves of a graham cracker. The graham cracker, the ends of it are going to be dipped very quickly into a cup of water like this. The 2 wet ends of the graham cracker you're going to put side by side on top of the frosting, and you're going to push them together. From there, you're going to answer the questions once again and write down your observations of what you see happening when the 2 ends of the wet graham cracker met.